What if you didn't just offer services to businesses, but owned the software they rely on every single day? That's what building your own CRM SaaS business looks like. Most entrepreneurs, agencies, and consultants hit the same ceiling. They're constantly chasing clients, dealing with custom work, and trading time for money. And while their clients use CRM and business software every day, they're paying someone else for it. CRM and business management software is essential. Every business needs to manage leads, clients, tasks, pipelines, communication, and follow-ups. And because it's mission critical, businesses happily pay monthly subscriptions for it. That's why CRM SaaS is one of the most stable and predictable online business models. With the ClickSaaS CRM platform, you can launch your own fully branded CRM software without building it from scratch. No coding, no development team, no complex setup. We take a proven CRM SaaS platform and set it up under your brand on your domain, ready for you to sell as a subscription. You can sell CRM subscriptions to small businesses, agencies, consultants, or even use it as your own internal system. Charge monthly, charge yearly, bundle it with your services. One platform, multiple clients, recurring revenue. ClickSaaS removes the technical barriers that stop people from launching software businesses. We host it, we brand it, we support it, so you can focus on selling and growing, not managing software. First, choose your CRM platform. Second, we set it up on your domain with your branding. Third, you launch and start onboarding clients. That's it. If you're ready to build a stable, subscription-based business that serves real companies, you can get started right here. Order your CRM platform today or book a short Zoom call if you want to walk through your options first. Either way, this is your chance to stop selling time and start owning the software businesses depend on.